Hey, this is Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Wanted to show you one of our brand new drone pressure washing, soft washing rigs that we just built out. This is going into a van. The footprint is 4 feet by 8 feet. So you got your garden feed, soft wash hose. We got the connections on the hose. This is a quick connect, so you can hook that up to your drone. That's the soft wash. Same thing with the pressure washer hose. You got 200 feet of Fierce Jet pressure washing hose. Ball valve swivel, so you can do groundwork. Maybe you can also hook that up to your drone as well. 8 gallon a minute pressure washer, the brand new P40 style down there on the bottom. I'll give you a look at the side over here. 7 gallon soap tank. We have a pure water system, and then that's going to go into the pure water tank, and then we have a water tank and bleach tank. Each one of those tanks are 100 gallons. We have our Pro Mixer XXL here on the back. So this is going to be water, soap, bleach, and then over here we have a pure water valve. So if you turn off all the other valves, water, soap, bleach, you can pull pure water directly through that P40 system. We also have this on a rinse valve, so you can bring fresh water into your bleach valve, completely rinse that out. We got the downstream rinse valve here as well. Here's a closer look at the pure water system. So incoming water comes into that 3-way valve. We can send it into the buffer tank or send it through the pure water system. We have a high capacity sediment filter, carbon filter, and then 2 DI filters. All these are on garden quick connects. So you can simply disconnect those, take the lids off, and then refill resin as you go through your resin filters. Got an 11 gallon fuel tank back there that's feeding the pressure washer. These are all electric reels. We got the exhaust coming out off the side right here. This also has the pulsar unloader, which is super important if you're running a drone. That's going to be a flow sensitive unloader, so you don't have that violent jerk when you're running your pressure washer. Brand new Gen 5 Flow Pro system. So this can downstream as well. Nice little van skid. If you're interested in something like this, I'll leave all my contact information down below. Appreciate you guys tuning in and watching the video.